Alright guys, I'm not actually away at the moment, I'm just at the local Werribee River. I've got one of my, a mod that I've been definitely hanging out, especially when I've got the big canopy on here with the extra weight. I actually decided to upgrade my brake booster.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand.
Right, I want to start out with say that full disclosure, I paid full retail price for this brake booster. I did get in contact with the guys at Bramac Power Brake Solutions. After having a good look around, and for about a year I've been looking at doing my brake booster upgrade. Had decided to go for them mainly on price, and there was a couple of other factors that I actually chose, and a little bit of research that I chose, the reason why I actually chose them over say Superior and J-Max. I didn't actually go the braided line with them. Apparently from what they told me, if you do a lot of off-roading, the rubber lines are better, where the braided lines can tend to snap with rocks and shit hitting them. So yeah, it is just a brake booster kit just by itself, no braided lines or anything like that. So yeah, might as well give it a little bit of an unboxing on it and yeah, get straight into it, eh? Unfortunately I'm short, so you're gonna have to put up with my body being half cut off here and just my head floating. I did actually forget to bring my step, which I think you guys can tell that I'll probably use the step a fair bit with this car. It's not even super high. Alright, what do we got here? By the looks of it, it is the instructions, an invoice. Also with the instructions as well, they do have the guy's mobile number that actually builds these. If you get stuck, you can always give him a buzz. He's meant to be pretty helpful, so I've heard. Okay, so that's pretty much all that's in the box. There's a lot of packaging in there. Let's give it a quick open up. I will be doing an install video with this as well. Probably be doing it over Christmas, so probably in the new year. It'll be there. So yeah, comes with a back gasket, new front gasket. There's not really much to these at all. Pretty cool. Apparently they're pretty easy to install. I have done a little bit of research on them. Just looking at the receipt here, I did pay $664 for this. So yeah, I did pay full retail, as I mentioned earlier on. One of the main reasons why I did choose one of these ones is everything in there is actually good quality Japanese parts. I actually had to wait around about 3-4 months because of Corona and trying to order the Japanese parts into Australia. Okay, so you have actually got a nice little instruction page there. There's only 3 steps to it. Given a smaller company, it is actually nice having a nice glossy shred of paper. I would have been happy with just the paper one. Alright, so some bozo actually deleted the end of the unboxing video. So yeah, it's already installed now. If you enjoyed the unboxing video, give me a like and subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for next week. I'll actually have the install video. Alright, catch you later.